Imagine a floating fortress that can launch jets into the sky with the push of a button, all while remaining undetected beneath the waves. Picture this: a vessel so massive it dwarfs entire football fields, equipped with cutting-edge technology that leaves competitors in the dust. This is the USS John F. Kennedy, the most powerful aircraft carrier ever built, embodying American naval might in a world increasingly defined by maritime competition. The U.S. Navy's investment in aircraft carrier technology has evolved through centuries of maritime warfare, with the introduction of jet aircraft post-World War II marking a pivotal moment. As the Cold War began, the U.S. recognized the need for carriers that could not only carry traditional fighter jets, but also newer technologies, including precision-guided munitions and reconnaissance capabilities. The USS John F. Kennedy stands at the apex of this evolution, representing years of innovation and strategic foresight. Join us as we unveil the U.S. insane aircraft carrier that has shocked the world, a colossal $13 billion behemoth that reigns supreme on the high seas. As of now, 1 in every 4 aircraft carriers in the world is a part of the United States Navy, contributing to a combined deck space that eclipses that of all other nations combined. But what truly keeps rival powers like Russia and China awake at night isn't just the sheer number of American carriers, it's the unprecedented capabilities of the USS John F. Kennedy, a colossal $13 billion behemoth that reigns supreme on the high seas. The dominance of U.S. carriers stems from not only the number of ships, but also their strategic deployment across the globe. For instance, during the Gulf War in the early 1990s, aircraft carriers served as critical platforms for launching airstrikes against Iraq, demonstrating their ability to project power without needing to establish bases on foreign soil. The U.S. Navy has also enhanced carrier capabilities with advanced technologies, ensuring that each carrier is a floating base of operations, capable of supporting a wide variety of missions in any theater of conflict. A legacy of power. The story of supercarriers stretches back decades, akin to the saga of James Bond, each generation ousting its predecessor. Welcome to the USS John F. Kennedy, the 21st century supercarrier equipped to tackle the complex challenges of modern warfare. This isn't merely a ship, it's a symbol of U.S. military prowess, poised to respond to any significant threat with unparalleled effectiveness. The legacy of supercarriers began with the USS Langley, commissioned in 1922 as the U.S. Navy's first aircraft carrier. The design and operational concepts evolved through World War II, where carriers like the USS Enterprise played critical roles in pivotal battles, such as the Battle of Midway. The progression from these early carriers to modern behemoths like the John F. Kennedy illustrates a continuous effort to adapt to emerging threats and technologies, with each new class integrating lessons learned from previous conflicts and technological advancements. In the face of emerging powers, the United States remains in a league of its own, primarily due to 2 critical factors: quantity and quality. While China and the United Kingdom both operate 2 aircraft carriers, the U.S. Navy's fleet dwarfs theirs. The United States' expertise in aircraft carrier design and development spans nearly a century, ensuring that American carriers remain at the forefront of technology and capability. The U.S. Navy's historical commitment to innovation is evident in the development of the Nimitz-class carriers, which began with the USS Nimitz in 1975. These carriers featured nuclear propulsion, allowing them to operate for extended periods without refueling, an innovation that changed naval strategy. The transition from Nimitz-class to Gerald R. Ford-class carriers marks a deliberate move to incorporate advanced technologies such as improved stealth, enhanced defensive systems, and automation, solidifying the U.S. Navy's leadership in carrier operations. The dawn of a new era. World War II was the game changer, showcasing the revolutionary power of aircraft carriers that could project naval and air power across vast distances. This era marked the inception of the modern carrier, seamlessly integrating the Navy and Air Force's strengths. As nations began constructing their own carriers, it became clear that supremacy at sea hinged on having the most formidable vessel. The United States sprinted ahead, launching the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers, including the USS John F. Kennedy, which is now defined by its remarkable features and advanced technologies. The pivotal role of aircraft carriers in World War II highlighted their strategic importance, fundamentally altering naval doctrine. After the war, the Cold War era saw a renewed emphasis on carrier battle groups as a deterrent against Soviet aggression. The U.S. Navy learned to integrate intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities on board carriers, ensuring that they not only served as launching platforms for air missions, but also as command centers for multifaceted military operations. The USS John F. Kennedy symbolizes the culmination of these lessons, incorporating advanced technologies to adapt to the complexities of 21st century warfare. 5 features of invincibility. 1. Cutting-edge power generation. At the heart of the USS John F. Kennedy lies its dual A-1B nuclear reactors, capable of generating 25% more power than their predecessors. These reactors fuel everything from the electromagnetic catapult to future laser-directed energy weapons, allowing the carrier to operate autonomously for extended periods while cruising at speeds of up to 30 knots. The development of nuclear reactors for naval vessels began with the USS Nautilus in 1954, marking a transformative leap in military naval technology. Over the decades, reactor designs have advanced significantly, reflecting lessons learned from operational experience and safety concerns. The A-1B reactor represents the cutting edge of this technology, promising not just enhanced power output, but also greater efficiency and reduced maintenance needs, allowing the USS John F. Kennedy to maintain its operational readiness for longer periods without resupply. 2. Expansive deck space. The Kennedy's massive deck measures 1,106 feet long and 256 feet wide, making it the largest aircraft carrier in history. This vast space not only allows for a greater number of aircraft and munitions, but also enhances operational efficiency, boosting sortie rates by 33% compared to older Nimitz-class carriers. More sorties mean more firepower in the sky, amplifying the carrier's combat effectiveness. The design of the deck space reflects extensive research into operational needs, stemming from lessons learned during conflicts such as the Vietnam War, where limitations in deck space hindered operational flexibility. The USS John F. Kennedy's design allows for simultaneous operations, meaning more aircraft can be launched and recovered efficiently. This capability is crucial during multi-front operations, where speed and versatility can decisively impact mission outcomes. 3. Advanced launch and recovery systems. The Kennedy employs an electromagnetic launch system and state-of-the-art arresting gear, dramatically improving the speed and efficiency of launching and recovering aircraft. This technological leap over the older steam-powered systems ensures that every second counts in high-stakes combat scenarios. The shift from steam to electromagnetic systems represents a significant advancement in naval aviation technology. Historical issues with steam catapults, such as delays in launching aircraft during critical moments, highlighted the need for improved systems. The electromagnetic launch system reduces wear and tear on aircraft, enhances safety during operations, and allows for a quicker turnaround of missions, significantly impacting overall carrier effectiveness during conflict scenarios. 4. Multifunctional radar systems. Gone are the days of cluttered cockpits filled with numerous screens. The USS John F. Kennedy features a sophisticated multifunctional radar system, integrating multiple capabilities into a single interface. This streamlines operations, allowing the crew to focus on their mission without being overwhelmed by data. The development of radar systems has been essential to modern naval warfare, evolving from basic detection capabilities during World War II to today's advanced multifunctional systems. The USS John F. Kennedy's radar technology allows for real-time threat assessment and data fusion, significantly enhancing situational awareness. Historical events, such as the carrier battles in the Pacific Theater, underscored the need for robust radar capabilities, leading to continued investment and development in this critical area. 5. Crew quality of life enhancements. A vessel is only as strong as its crew, and the Kennedy excels in this aspect. From state-of-the-art gyms to comfortable living quarters, the carrier is designed to keep its personnel in peak condition, ready to tackle any challenge the seas may present. The emphasis on crew welfare is a relatively recent development in military design philosophy, driven by the recognition that morale and well-being directly influence operational effectiveness. In previous conflicts, such as the long deployments during the Gulf War, inadequate living conditions were identified as a concern. The design of the USS John F. Kennedy reflects a paradigm shift towards ensuring that service members are well supported, both mentally and physically, recognizing that a content crew is crucial for maintaining peak operational readiness. The implications of the USS John F. Kennedy extend far beyond its deck. Aircraft carriers serve as powerful symbols of a nation's influence, allowing the United States to project power globally without relying on foreign bases. While other nations, such as Russia, seem to lag behind in the carrier race, America's dominance in this domain remains unchallenged. The role of aircraft carriers as instruments of foreign policy cannot be overstated. They function as both deterrents and tools for diplomatic engagement, showcased during operations such as the U.S. response to the 2011 Libyan Civil War, where carriers were essential for launching airstrikes. The presence of the USS John F. Kennedy in critical regions sends a clear message of U.S. commitment to its allies and readiness to respond to threats. In an era where power dynamics are shifting, the ability to project military strength globally remains a cornerstone of U.S. strategy. The ongoing advancements in naval technology and the increasing complexity of global conflicts suggest that aircraft carriers will continue to play a crucial role in U.S. military strategy. As countries modernize their fleets, the lessons learned from the U.S. John F. Kennedy's design and operational capabilities will inform future developments in naval warfare, ensuring that the United States remains a formidable force on the world stage. So what do you think? Is the world's focus on naval capabilities shifting? As the tides of global power continue to ebb and flow, the USS John F. Kennedy stands as a testament to America's enduring strength at sea. If you're curious about what the future holds for military technology and naval warfare, don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of naval power.